Hello, hello, hello. We're going to construct, this is altitudes. Altitudes, construct an altitude JK in this triangle. Hajj. I'm not going to Mecca, but this triangle is Hajj. Well, go to Mecca if you need to. Good and able-bodied. Construct altitude JK. So, which ones of those letters is in this triangle? K is not in that triangle. J is in this triangle. It's right there. There's point J. So an altitude. So I'm going to take this visually, and visually it just tends to be easier right there. So an altitude goes from a vertex to the that is perpendicular to the opposite side. So here's point J. This is the side opposite J, so it goes through the opposite side, but try that again. Goes to the opposite side, but is this perpendicular? Is this line perpendicular to that side? No. Oh, now it's perpendicular, but it does it go through J? No, it has to do both. It has to be perpendicular and go through J. So it's going to end up being somewhere right around here. So we have to do it with a construction. Construction means we're going to use a compass and a straight edge. A compass and a straight edge. Okay. So, pointy end on one of these two letters, K is okay, so J. I'm going to put the pointy end on J. Okay, there we go. Pointy end on J. This compass setting, I'm going to have to swing out, has to intersect this side twice. So, more. Now it's far enough. I'm going to swing an arc. Hold on. It's not quite working. There we go. Now it's working. Swing an arc. There we go. See that arc? There we go. Yep, there we go. Okay. It intersects this side once, but not, so we have to take this side and extend it. Don't do this. This right here, that's a straight line, but that line should be continuing on straight, and it doesn't. So A through H, make sure it's a continuous straight line. That's just one continuous straight line all the way from there through H to there. That's one full straight line. That's not a full straight line from A to H to there. Make sure from A through H to there, it's a straight line. Okay, so using this point of the intersection and that point, using those 2 points of intersection, act like you make a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so that point and that point, using those 2 points of intersections, act like you make a perpendicular bisector. So there's half the distance, go more than half, that's more than half. So swing an arc. Okay, do not change the setting of the compass. I'm going to put it right there. Okay. These two arcs meet there and right there. So draw a line from the intersection from those two arcs and that point, and it should go right through point J. There we go. So it goes there, there, and it goes through J. So the construction part is done perpendicular. Okay, JK, so J and K. Here's J, K is going to be at that point right there. That point is going to be labeled K. I can put a K there, I can put a K there, or I can put a K there. Done. There's a construction. We constructed altitude JK. What if it's going to be an obtuse triangle? Okay, in this case, construct altitude TO. Touch TO. 2, not 2, but 2. So I can't do that. That won't work. I didn't make a mistake again. Let's call it TJ. TJ. Trader Joe's. TJ. Which one of those letters is here? J is not there, but T is. Okay, it has to go through point T. Has to go through point T, and that goes through point T, and it goes through the opposite side, but it's, oh, is this perpendicular to the opposite side? No. That's perpendicular to the opposite side. Spin the paper so it's easier. For this side, that's perpendicular, but does it go through point T? No, so it's gonna be somewhere around here. So we're gonna have to extend this side. Point T is there. This side is opposite T, so I have to take this side and extend it. Again, don't do this. That line right there, it should go from here through W right through O. It doesn't go, make sure O, make sure that is a straight line, not kind of straight, not done with freehand. Make sure you use a straight edge, okay? So now you have a better idea what's it gonna be. It's gonna go from here and it's gonna end up somewhere around there. Pointing the compass on point T. Can't be on J because there's no J there yet. We're gonna have to put the J out there at the end. Pointing the compass on point T. Extend the compass setting until it goes, there we go. Now it'll swing an arc, swing an arc. It intersects right there and right there. Using those 2 points of intersection, we're gonna use perpendicular bisector between those 2 points. So that point to that point, okay, it's the full distance. That's half the distance. Make sure this is more than half the distance. That's more than half the distance. So there we go. I'm using pin because you can see the pin. Let's try it again. There we go. That pin you can see easier than the pencil. I want you to use a sharp pencil. Okay, oh, did I move? This move. Okay, that's good. Do not change the setting of the compass. Now I want to put the point of the compass right there. Okay. Okay. Draw a line segment between the intersection of the 2 arcs. Intersection is right there. The other intersection is right there. So it should go right through point T. There and there. Okay, there we go. There's T. Boom. Perpendicular. That's an altitude, and we label it TJ. There's my T and there's my J. I can put a J there or there or there. Don't want to put a J because we got the 90-degree box. I'll put a J right there. Boink. There's our altitude. Fin. Bye-byes. Ooh. Wouldn't that be a great question for a test? Right there. Wouldn't that be a great question for a test? Bye-byes.